Hello class, this is your instructor Jerome Cuson, and this is the week 11 video. All I can say is we are entering the home stretch. We're entering the final month or so of the semester, and my hope is that a lot of your focus is going to be on these two drafts that you're working on, the new media draft as well as the final draft. This week and next week, there are fewer assignments. This week you have 2 assignments that are due. Next week you have 2 mental wellness days, so there's only going to be 1 assignment, and I'm having that one due at the beginning of the week. But again, I want a lot of your focus to be on these matters. So in thinking about what's going on in week 11 of the semester, by now, you've had a chance to reflect on the feedback that you've gotten from the first draft of the researched argument. So again, this is a bit of a lighter load the next 2 weeks. There are 2 assignments due this week, and again, 1 assignment due in week 12. And you will be encouraged to have another conference or your first one in week 12. Both of your readings for the week are focused around the idea of revision. Your journal entry will be in response to exploring your piece's potential. The one-pager for this week, so the one-pager is not an essay this time, but it is a handout, how-to on your chosen app. These one-pagers will be used by your classmates as they consider their own new media drafts, so make sure they're as good as they can possibly be. So the one-pager, again, it's not an essay, but it is a how-to worksheet where you want to use images and you want to showcase how to use a particular application. So for the journal entry, so there are a couple of readings that you're doing, but the one where you're responding for the journal entry, you first need to read Exploring Your Piece's Potential. After completing this reading, you're going to answer question number 2. I want to see you fully reflect on the writing process and address revision in your nearly full-page response. This journal entry, which is the 10th of the semester, is going to be due by Thursday, April the 1st at 11:59 p.m. And again, the one-pager, this is a very different one-pager than you have done at any time this semester because it's not an essay. You are being asked to generate a how-to for one of the applications that you are using to create your new media draft. Essentially, this instructional handout that walks us through the process of how to create a presentation in your app. To be clear, you do not necessarily have to use this application for the new media draft, but this worksheet will be available for other students. The possible applications, again, are listed there, just as they are for the new media draft. And this assignment will be due by Sunday, April the 4th at 11:59. This handout, 1, maybe 2 pages. You are encouraged to use images. You are encouraged to make this interactive if possible, but it should be uploaded as a document. Now, in the past, I have told you not to upload as PDFs. Okay, but it is acceptable to upload this as a PDF if needed. I will not be providing direct feedback on this. So whatever you feel comfortable in sending is how you should send this specific document. Okay, this is the only video that I'm making you watch this week because, again, I want you to be focusing on your new media draft and starting to think about which of these applications you are going to use to benefit your new media draft. Okay, so if you have any questions or issues or problems, please email me or text me and let me know, and we can address those as soon as possible. If not, have a good week, be safe, and be well.